sinabi niyo sa akin kanina.
Ano?
Na yung game between Petron and Ginebra was one of the best.
Ay, okay.
Eh, syempre, hindi natin
Of the
masasabi
second
to.
conference.
Best of the second conference. Sure na yun.
Sure.
Pero, masasabi ba natin na ito pa rin yung same Ginebra from last conference, from last season?
Ako, it's the same as 2008. I think si Hatfield is back, Alexander is back. I actually think there's a parang retro feel to this. I know Kirby's in, Dylan's in, 2 bits out, but parang there's a retro feel to it na JJ will hit the game winner, Rudy provided...
Chris Alexander.
Chris Alexander's back.
Dumabol WWE si Rudy.
Woo! Money!
Yun lang yung na-thrown out na masaya.
Masaya eh. Diba? Yay! Thrown out si Hatfield!
So is it a good thing na talagang may retrospect feel to?
When you say the retro feeling for this team, the good thing about it is there's life. May buhay. And I think Rudy Hatfield brought in that energy. Pagdating niya nung game na yon, he was you had fist bumps mula sa not only from Rudy, we were seeing it from Mark, we were seeing it from JJ, from yung saludo ni Alexander. That's the retro feel. But this is for me a brand new team just because without Kirby was such a big force doon. Dahil etong Ginebra ngayon, dati Ginebra kailangan mo bantayan 3. There's always one non-scorer in that team. Nowadays, they can put 5 scorers all at the same time, which really opens up things for JJ, for Mark, and the rest of the guys.
Ako nakukuha kong feel dito is, kumbaga parang sa NBA, like the Spurs and the Dallas Mavericks last season. With this lineup, it's their last window of opportunity to win or to build a mini small dynasty na to win a championship or multiple championships with this lineup. Dahil aminin natin na sa peak sila ng careers nila, they're not getting younger. That's why they have to win now. Siguro kaya rin binalik si Chris Alexander, ba komportable sila sa isa't isa. Patama si Jason nung bumalik si Rudy Hatfield. Parang grabe yung energy ulit ng Ginebra kagabi talaga. So
pero ikaw na nga nagsabi no, na they are not getting any younger, and yung meet na tong team na to was the same as the one last conference. So is it, ito bang team na to ngayon, is it going for the long haul, or ito na ba yung
this is now or never? Ako, total nagugutom na rin ako. No? the meat, no? Same cut ng meat, pero ibang luto. Kasi ibang kombinasyon, di ba? Parang iniba yung recipe eh.
Pero kasi diba ang concern natin the last time, they are getting old, ganyan.
They're not getting any younger, but I think may point si Jai na it's not like Kirby is the youngest post-up player that you can get, diba? Yung Dylan, yes, that's sort of like building for the future, but when you combine Mark, JJ, bring back Rudy, Alexander with Kirby, that's really saying that we want to win now. This is not like we're preparing for 2 years from now.
And they're in great shape, no?
Rudy's in great shape.
Very surprised.
Great shape.
It seems that itong balik niya na to, mas maganda yung kondisyon ni Rudy compared to the last time that he was here. Nakita natin, tumira pa sa labas ng malayo na yung 7 feet di ba? Tumira pa, lumaya pa ng kanan. Si Rudy, laging kaliwa, layup niyan. And let me just add to that point. This is a win now team, but also what they did is it's a win now team, but also they are going to make guys like Dylan, Enrico, and as well as Maliksi feel how it is to win if they're able to do it, and sila naman yung magki-carry nung torch. The nice thing about it is because of what they did, they're able to pass the torch tuloy-tuloy in terms of age. Maganda yung sloping nila. Hindi katulad dati, meron kang ganon, biglang boom! Walang in-between. Ngayon, kita natin, meron ng
Pati kagaya ng sinasabi natin last conference, di ba? Meron parang nararamdaman tayong conflict within the Ginebra players na the new guys, parang they want to step up already. Pero yung sila JJ, sila Mark, parang they're looking after their backs na, yung position ko, yung playing time ko, baka kunin na itong mga bata. Pero now, parang there's a feeling na they decided na, sige, mga veterans muna natin, kung sino munang magpapapanalo, sa kanila na muna yung bulk of the minutes. Then, the younger guys, they can support the veterans. And tama yung sinasabi ni Jason, yung passing of the torch ngayon, mas madali yung transition na hindi agad pressured yung mga bata na ipanalo yung team ngayon.
Gaano kalaki ang ang role ni Chris Alexander dito kasi like we were saying earlier, 4 years ago, 'di ba nandito siya, mas malaki yung movements niya, mas athletic siya. But how is he gonna perform this conference?
I think he has to perform because unlimited height eh. So, puro higante yung mga...
Pero siya yung pinakamalaki.
Oh, even-
Siya lang may toothpick. May toothpick.
Hanggang ngayon, nandiyan pa rin.
But he has to get in shape.
I think yun. Through the
Napagod siya.
actually, in a way, mabuti nga mabilis itong format. Di ba? Kung mahaba itong format, hindi natin alam if he can last,
Sustain.
if he can sustain and last the term. But kung mabilisan, baka pwede, so long as yun na nga, humabol siya sa conditioning and kailangan natin makita when he goes up against the likes of the mga Adam Parada, kailangan at maatrasan niya itong mga to for him to be truly effective. I don't know if Ginebra can succeed with Alexander scoring just 2-4 points in the second half. I don't know how that anong mabuting madudulot nun. Great that he can get rebounds, but he has to provide. He has to be an offensive threat.
I think yung points niya kasi, I don't think he's gonna get a lot of points or score very well if he has his back to the basket. If he gets those 20 plus rebounds and some of it or a bulk of it offensive rebounds tapos doon siya makakapuntos, that's when they're gonna
Okay
be
na.
effective. Actually, kung titingnan natin yung unang laro na yun, hindi na siya nakapuntos ng second half. Hindi pa siya naka-rebound. Remember how dominant he was in the first half?
Yeah.
Mintis, rebound, follow-up. And that's what Ginebra wants to see. Doon nabubuhay yung crowd eh. And that's another thing that he brings to the table. He is the perfect, he has the perfect attitude for Ginebra. Naalala natin yung import nila dati, yung malaki, parang si Noy Locsin maglaro.
Brumfield.
Si Brumfield. Okay sana siya, pero problema, tahimik. So
Wala
hindi
kang
na...
no emotion.
No emotion.
No
Yun
emotion.
yung- the emotion of Alexander is, I think, the biggest positive for them.
So, big things coming from Ginebra. We can look forward to a good showing para dito sa Ginebra. Panoorin po. At subaybayan ang ating mga kabarangay.
Wow.
Pero ka...